Why you Chacha un petit moun here with me? Why keep forcing Chacha eat non-stop?
She don't want to eat though.
Okay, she full. She don't wanna eat. She don't wanna eat. Tu viens tourner pour la pour dire ça, va forcer mon manger. Il va pas manger, va pas manger with me.
Okay.
So, then why you don't wanna eat?
Nothing.
Okay. What the hell? Vamos pro pleno.
Chacha, it's okay.
Why you keep saying it's okay? Why you keep forcing Chacha? What happened? What keep this okay? It's okay. Eat Chacha, eh? Okay, what's going on?
It's nothing, Dad. It's
Okay.
nothing.
What's going on?
Breathe. Stop.
So, Sasha, at school, her boyfriend broke up with her.
Brittany!
Your boyfriend break up.
She's lying, Dad.
Pourquoi? Dis-moi ça, c'est bien dit, c'est bon.
Hmm?
Autant de moi?
I don't remember what she said.
Cha,
Hmm?
pa.
I didn't do anything. I'm just eating my food. She just wanna joke around and lie. I don't even have a boyfriend anymore.
You don't have boyfriend anymore?
I mean,
Who take your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Who take your boyfriend?
No.
Oh, you don't have boyfriend anymore.
No, I didn't mean to say like that.
You don't. So ça veut te dire c'est ça?
No. But it just
The
came
fuck?
out of my